Today I will remake this beautiful logo using Adobe Photoshop. You may know already Adobe Photoshop is not the right option for designing a logo. Always try to use a vector-based design software for designing a logo. By the way, for the sake of this video, I will design this logo using Adobe Photoshop. Here in this logo, this part is representing the C, the first letter of Carolina, and the leaves are representing the word herbs. At the very first, I will draw the letter C. I am going to draw a circle first. For this, I will go to the rectangle tool, click and hold it, and select the ellipse tool. And make sure to select shape here. Now let's make a symmetrical circle. I am holding the shift key and dragging to make a symmetrical circle. I will go with around 600 pixels for this logo. You can go with your own. Here you know I need the stroke color, not the fill color. So let's switch to the stroke color. For the stroke thickness, I will go with 150 points. I will use this circle to make the letter C. Now I am going to draw the leaves here. So I am going to draw another circle. Don't forget to hold the shift key when dragging for a circle. It will help you to get the symmetrical circle always. Let's make it a bit bigger. I will make a copy of it. Hold Alt and drag it to make a copy. Now let's place the second one to the half of the first one. I am going to take the overlapped part here. Okay, let's rasterize the two layers. Now let's place the mouse cursor here on the layer thumbnail and hold Ctrl and click. That will help me to create a selection around the circle. Now I will copy a part of the other circle. Let's select the layer and press Ctrl or Command C to make a copy of the selected part of this circle, and press Ctrl or Command V to paste the copied layer. Now let's turn off these two. You can delete them. I don't need them anymore. Now let's make a copy of it and rotate it 45 degree. Just click on the border and then rotate it using your mouse. Make sure to hold the shift key and then hit enter. Now let's make a copy of the new one. Rotate it 90 degree. Now I will place the tree to give it a shape of a newly grown leaves. Okay. Now I'm happy with it. Let's rotate it 90 degree and place them on the right side of the circle. I think it needs to make a bit smaller. Now I am going to merge the three layers so that they can act as a single layer. Okay, let's select the three. Hold Ctrl and click one after one to select multiple layers. Right click here on the layer palette. Click merge layers. Okay, now select all and align them horizontally center. Now I will rasterize the circle, select it, right click on the layer palette, click on rasterize layers. I think the leaves are little bit bigger till now. Let's make them smaller and place the right place. Now I am going to create a gap between the leaves and the letter C. So select the leaves, place the mouse pointer here on the layer thumbnail and hold Ctrl and click. Now I will expand the selection. Go to select menu, then modify and click expand. Then I will go with 45 pixels here. Now I will select the circle layer from layer palette and then hit delete. Press Ctrl D. Okay, our logo icon is done. It is time to write the company name here, and it is not very difficult, you know. Just select the type tool, click anywhere in the artboard and start writing. The font you can see here is a paid font. The client needs to pay to buy the license of this font. Now I will pick the colors from our original logo. To do so, select your targeted layer, double click on the layer bar, select color overlay, click this rectangle and pick the color, just hit OK. I will do the same for the other layers here. This time the company name. Now I will adjust the size and position. Okay, after doing some minor adjustment, here is the logo, you can see. Now it is time to place the logo on some mockups. Not sure how to use mockups? This video will make it easy for you.